In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your LinkedIn profile private and only accessible to logged-in users. We'll walk through the LinkedIn mobile app together, keep everything simple, and make sure your profile is only visible in the way you want. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. On the top corner, tap your profile icon to open your account menu. From there, select Settings, then choose Visibility. Think of this area as your control center for who can see your information across LinkedIn and beyond. If you don't see settings right away, look for the small gear icon. Once you're in the visibility section, you're in exactly the right place to lock things down. Next, tap Edit Your Public Profile. This section controls what people can see if they're not signed into LinkedIn, so that includes search engines and anyone who lands on your profile without logging in. You'll see a switch for your profile's public visibility. Turn that off. When the switch is off, your profile is no longer viewable to people who aren't logged in. In practical terms, you've removed yourself from the public internet and limited access to signed-in LinkedIn members only, subject to any other visibility preferences you've set. Changes may take a short time to reflect in search results, so don't worry if they're not instant. Now go back one screen to the main visibility page and tap Profile Discovery and Visibility on LinkedIn. These settings let you fine-tune how signed-in members find you and how your profile appears within LinkedIn. Here, you can toggle whether your profile shows up in member searches and suggestions. You can also decide if people can find you using your email address or phone number. If you want to reduce unexpected contact or prevent lookups from people who only know your contact details, turn those options off. Just keep in mind that stricter settings can make it harder for colleagues or recruiters to discover you, so choose what fits your goals. There's also an important note about approved LinkedIn partnerships and developers. Through sanctioned programs, certain partners may display information from member profiles to their users in ways that comply with LinkedIn's rules. The discovery settings we just adjusted affect how members find you within LinkedIn, but they don't control your visibility on the open web. That public visibility is governed by the switch you turned off under Edit Your Public Profile. For maximum privacy, confirm that public visibility is off, then tailor discovery options to your comfort level among signed-in members. That's it, quick, clear, and under your control. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss new uploads.